Hey everybody, and welcome back to another product review. I'm Travis, your official Blizzard review guy. Today we're taking a look at Blizzard's new LB PARs. These are going to be a great LED par can type fixture with a round, more traditional shape, which is contrary to Blizzard's infamous puck type PARs, and giving a great even spread of rich LED light, great for many applications. The LB PARs come in three varieties. There are two LB PAR quads and an LB PAR hex. The main and I think only difference being the type of LEDs on the fixture. We're going to get started by unboxing the LB PAR hex, then we'll take a closer look at all the LB PARs. So as I mentioned, there are three versions of the LB PAR. There are two LB PAR quads. Those come with either RGBA or RGBW color mixing LEDs, while the LB PAR hex has RGBAW plus UV. As you can see, these all look very identical, and I have one of each sitting right here. Pretty much the exact same housing. The quads have 12 10-watt 4-in-1 LEDs, and the hex has 12 15-watt LEDs. Probably the same LEDs found in the Skybox EXA and the Skybox Chroma, both of which I've reviewed. It's a sturdy plastic housing with a metal bracket, which can either be used to hang the light or use as a stand like you see here on the table. On the back side, they have 3-pin DMX in and out, PowerCon power connector, 4-button easy LED control panel, and a mic sensitivity knob. Next, let's take a look at the color that these lights put out. While we're taking a look at the colors from each light, let me tell you a little bit more about them. They all offer color mixing in standalone, master slave, and DMX modes. The quads can be controlled in either 4 or 8 DMX channels, while the hex has additional functionality with 6 or 11 channels. They all have built-in automated programs and sound active programs available in master slave mode. And of course, they're all covered by Blizzard's 2-year product warranty. I hope you've enjoyed this review video on Blizzard's LB PAR quads and LB PAR hex. If you like this video, go ahead and click the thumbs up button right down there. And be sure to click subscribe for more Blizzard lighting reviews. As always, feel free to leave me any questions or comments in the section under this video. I'm Travis, your official Blizzard review guy. Thanks again for watching. See you next time.